Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to go over the common mistakes I see clients do within an exercise class. As we correct them over time, it could get overwhelming if we go through all of them at once, but this video will be a reminder to just check the points as we do an exercise class. Okay. And I'm going to add some practical tips that you can do to prevent these things from happening and correct it over time. Let's start from the top. We want our ears to be over our shoulders. And a lot of times what I'm seeing is the head protruding forward. So it's an excessive forward head lean. Every inch that the ears are not aligned over the shoulders is 10 pounds on the cervical spine. So what we want to do is we want to pull that back. Now we want our chin to be parallel to the ground, so we don't want to lift the chin or tuck the chin to get the ears over the shoulders, but we want to be conscious of when we're driving, when we're watching TV, when we're working on the computer, or if we're looking at our phone. We want to sit up tall, retract that chin, and really concentrate on having the ears directly in line with the shoulders. That's number one. Number two is just from sitting a lot or not really opening up that chest or lifting the chest, and the shoulders are wanting to come in. So we really want to work on bringing those shoulders back, strengthening the back, externally rotating the shoulders, which is going to lead to you retracting your chin, keeping the ears over the shoulders. Next one is, again, from possibly sitting a lot or just not standing up tall with proper posture, losing that curve in the lumbar. So if you sit and you're tucking in a posterior pelvic tilt, you're losing that curve. So when you're sitting, I'll get a chair to demonstrate. You want to sit up tall. You want the sits bones to be into the chair. You can feel the sits bones. And you want to work on keeping that nice curve in the lumbar. Chest up, shoulders back, retract the chin. So you will strengthen the muscles over time by just being conscious. But when you're exercising, you want to make sure that you have that proper alignment. Next one is locking out the knees. See a lot of clients hyperextending their knees, which is probably because we're looking for stability, or we want to really have strong glutes for stability. So when we're training, I say just a micro bend in the knee. And then even when we say toe to heel rocks, we're not going into that hyperextension. We have the slight bent knees, we're engaging the glutes, and we're rocking toe to heel rock. We're keeping that curve in the lumbar, chest up, shoulders back, ears over shoulders. Last one, we're gonna talk about the foot tripod. That's the class to show clients the points of the foot that we should be placing into the ground to do any training, whether that's sit to stands or squats. We want even pressure on all 3 points. Because what happens is some people are all in their toes or all in their heels or rolling their feet in or out, and we want nice arches in the foot, and we want the foot tripod to be evenly distributed on that foot while we do our exercises. So even if we're doing sit to stands, we want proper alignment, ears over shoulders, shoulders back, a nice open chest, belly to spine, nice curve in the lumbar. Now, when we do sit to stands, we want that foot tripod, we want the weight evenly distributed on all 3 points of the foot, nice arches, and when we drive up, engage those glutes, but we're not going to lock out the knees. We're going to have a slight bend, control it back down. And even if we're doing leg curls, the standing leg still needs the proper pressure. Can't roll in on the foot, can't roll out. You want a nice, even pressure on all 3 points. And the ankle needs to stay aligned as we train the other leg. So I realize that it's a lot to consider, but this is a video just to show if you could just go from head to toe or from bottom up, make sure you're in proper alignment. Take your time during training and make sure you have everything set as you do what you need to do, exercise, in your exercise class. And this is also important if you're training at home and doing these videos, because you want to make sure that you prevent an injury or you're strengthening the proper muscles. You want to do your training with proper alignment. I have seen such an improvement in everyone's posture by just cueing the clients over and over again every time we exercise. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to make sure that you had proper alignment at home as you do these videos. So just don't get overwhelmed, take your time, and I promise you your body will get stronger. Thank you. Bye-bye.